Hey guys, you're looking at a beautiful new arrival here at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Very nice looking 2013 Ford Explorer XLT 4-wheel drive with just 101,000 miles on it. Beautiful, super nice and clean looking body in a great shape. One owner since new, no accidents, clean CARFAX report, very well kept and maintained. Beautiful shape. It's got parking sensors, tinted windows, roof rack, alloy wheels, beautiful all matching Goodyear tires in a great shape. Very nice color combination, dark gray exterior over black leather interior, fog lamps, HID headlights. Body looks great, very nice and clean. It is fully loaded inside. Let's take a peek on it. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, cruise control, leather interior in a great shape, nice and clean. It's got power seats and heated seats. It's been detailed. Front row ready unit. We have a Bluetooth, 101,000 miles on the dashboard, no warning lights on. We have a beautiful dash, no issues, no problems. Navigation, rear view camera, we have extra keys, as I said, heated seats, CD, aux, USB, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, beautiful shape, non-smoking, no odors inside. We have a big panoramic, like a double sunroof, very nice and clean. Look at this beautiful color. Here's the second row seating. It's in a great shape as well. And of course we got the third row. Here you go. Nice and clean. In great shape. 7-passenger SUV. Very well kept and maintained. Front row ready. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful 2013 Ford Explorer XLT 4-wheel drive, please call us 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Alloy wheels in great shape, free of scuffs. As I said, beautiful Goodyear tires, all matching, all around. Body looks super nice. Same as an interior is nice as well. Let me just open the hood so we can take a peek under the hood. Here you go, V6, front row ready, detailed, inspected, beautiful 2013 Ford Explorer XLT 4-wheel drive, 101,000 miles, one owner since new, clean CARFAX, no accidents, beautiful inside and out, very well kept and maintained. Any questions, please call us 847-496-4250. Our website carcitychicago.com. If you'd like to do credit application, it's available online. Bunch of pictures, video, free CARFAX on our website. Please stop by, visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road, Palatine, Illinois. Not going to be disappointed. We have a very nice variety of used cars. Financing is available, so please stop by. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.